Sean.
Came home to some Amazon Prime packages, bro. This Civic build is becoming real fun so far. Mad stuff I got already, and it's all for the low. Let's see what's in package one. These are the LEDs for the dome light. I definitely needed this because the interior of the car, I hate that yellow amber look. So we're gonna spice it up with these LEDs right here. Then we also got the yellow DRL fog lights. Well, it's not fog lights, they're for the daytime running lights. Right now it's like a halogen one in there, so I just copped these to make them yellow to match the fog light, which is pretty sick. I had this on my last Civic. If you guys didn't see, there goes my old baby right there. But I had them on my last Civic and I want to put them on a new one. So these are just little things that I have right now. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Just use like a flathead like this, and then just pop it out, and now it works. Oh, and we got light. Nice. These LEDs, I have to be a little bit careful because I guess it does have the positive and negative side, so if you put it in the wrong way, it's not going to turn on. But these things are bright. Nice. We got the yellows to match. Boom, boom. Then we got the interior gleaming right now. Nice. Nice. Vlogs in the car will be so much better now at night. But these are pretty good. Also, I was searching through my shed and I actually found my OEM Mugen front lip. This was actually on Vanessa's car at one point, and then all I did was just spray paint it black, so don't mind it, it's trash. The lip is fucked up, don't get it wrong, it is fucked up. That's why it was sitting in the shed. But I was like, for the time being, I could just rock it like this, being that the car is already like ashy looking, so it's not gonna look crazy. But this is an OEM Mugen front lip. We tried to add the intake to it, but the coupler for the intake didn't fit, so I have it. I just have to go to AutoZone and get it tomorrow. So you see it right here. Vibrant filter on it. You think this needs to be cleaned?
Yeah.
Definitely.
So now what needs to be cleaned?
The filter. It's got some weird ass brown shit on it. I haven't been showing S2K no love. So we're gonna take the S2K out today. Alright, so I just went and picked up the intake for my boys. I was trying to find an intake coupler for it because obviously it doesn't fit directly to the throttle body. And I thought I got the right size. I thought it was 3.5 or 3 to 2.5. But this intake is like super massive, so this wasn't the right size. So I'm trying to figure out if there's another way for me to do this. We unboxing what we just got in. Ooh, what's that, Ness?
Honestly,
I don't even know.
this is for the intake. It's for this.
Okay. But what does it connect to, though?
Components of the vehicle.
What is up, guys? So after many failed attempts at trying to find a coupler for this intake here, because this is a 3.5 inch tube, I guess, to whatever you want to call it, I don't know, but it's a 3.5 inch tube. So I've been trying to find a coupler that was like 3.5 to 2.5 to fit the throttle body. So I had ordered this off of Amazon, which was like, I want to say I think it was 4, and I was like, oh, it should work, and it was too big. And then this piece here was too big. So then I went to a local speed shop to find if they had it, and they did. So this should fit over it, which it does. I'm super excited because I've been trying to get this intake on the car for a good minute now. So it does fit, which means that's good money. So now all I have to do is just put the clamps on and attach it to the throttle body. Alright guys, so after a little bit of searching and understanding, I had to put the stock airbox back on. So basically I was talking to Jermaine, and Jermaine told me once he really did his MacGyver and inspected, the MAF sensor on the intake that I was using was actually turned backwards. So the airflow was not reading properly, hence the reason why the car kept turning off. So at first I was a little worried. I'm gonna close this down, but I just wanted to show you guys that you know, I had to put the stock airbox back in, even though it is a Mugen airbox. But yeah, so I was a little worried at first because I'm like, what the hell's going on? Why is this not working? And I'm like, I plugged everything in, I made sure everything was right. It had no reason to be doing it. And then, you know, once I like did all my methods, did everything that I could, I brought it to Jermaine, and Jermaine was like, yo, from what I'm seeing, the MAF sensor is turned backwards, and that's why it's not reading properly. So when he would turn it, the car would run good, but then when it would, like, you go the way that it was actually bolted to the intake, it wouldn't work. So the car that I got it from, I guess whatever way he got the car tuned, they had to weld that piece the way it is. So that's why the car wasn't running with that intake. So I'm just gonna end up getting a different one, but it's all right. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I do want to tell you guys, some of these videos will be out of order. Like, you're gonna notice like some videos that I'm gonna be posting after this, I'm gonna be having hair. Obviously you guys see that I cut my hair, so I just want to give you guys a heads up, because some of the videos that I've already created and I already filmed was a little while back, but I'm waiting until December to post for you guys, so that way we can have that steady content. So right now I'm just getting out all the little ones that I've been doing, like here and there, like everyday type thing, but the other ones with like installs and all that good stuff is coming. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, like, yo, you had hair in the last video, why you don't have hair in this one? So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please thumbs up the video. When you thumbs up the video, it honestly and truthfully helps me out a lot. Okay, a lot. It helps my algorithm, it helps my engagement, and it helps me get suggested to other channels, to your inboxes or whatever. So I need you guys to really like these videos and just share for me. Alright, we're on the road to 50K, well really 30K, but 50K by the end of 2019. I hope I can hit it. So if you guys can, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, but really leave a like for your boy. All right, thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.